You might be surprised by the top programming languages in 2023 with the largest developer community. Which are the most widely used programming languages among developers? As you might imagine, millions of people use programming languages like Python and Java, but several lesser-known languages also have surprisingly significant user communities. Today's programmers provide a variety of possibilities for beginning developers. Students look for active communities in the programming languages they select. The programming languages that have the most developer support are not only easy to learn, but they also help you improve. A study on the programming languages and the support they will receive in 2023 was released by /Data. The best programming languages in 2023 with the biggest developer community will be covered in this video is. Number 10 on the top programming language list is Go. 1.5 million developers that are active. Go, a programming language developed by Google, is well known. Go's ability to manage multi-core, networked systems, and big codebases has swiftly sparked attention from all around the world. It should come as no surprise that Golang is one of the best programming languages in terms of salary and potential. Go was first publicly announced in November 2009, and version 1.0 was published in March 2012. Google and many other companies and open-source initiatives use Go extensively in production. Top 9 on the programming list is Kotlin. 2.3 million developers are active. Kotlin, an open-source programming language, is quite well liked at the moment. Businesses like Netflix, Pinterest, and Amazon Web Services employ this language because of features like support for Lambda functions, smartcasts, null safety, and operator overloading. Since the release of Android Studio 3.0 in October 2017, Kotlin has been available as an alternative to the default Java compiler. On May 7, 2019, Google declared Kotlin to be their preferred language for Android app developers. The Android Kotlin compiler generates Java 8 bytecode by default, which is compatible with any subsequent JVM, but the programmer can choose to target Java 9 up to 18 for optimization or to enable more features. It also has bidirectional record class interoperability support for the JVM, which was first introduced in Java 16 and is thought to be stable as of Kotlin 1.5. Number 8 on the list is the Swift programming language. 2.4 million developers are active. Swift is in the top 10 greatest programming languages for profitability and prospects despite being a relatively new language due to its speed, performance, and security. Swift is an easy language to learn as well. Apple Incorporated and the open-source community created Swift, a high-level general-purpose, multi-paradigm, compiled programming language. Swift was created as a successor for Apple's previous programming language Objective-C, which had been mostly untouched since the early 1980s and lacked current language capabilities. Swift was first published in 2014. A crucial component of Swift's design was its ability to interact with the vast corpus of Objective-C code created for Apple devices over the past decades. Swift works with Apple's Cocoa and Cocoa Touch frameworks. It has been a part of Xcode since version 6, which was published in 2014, and was created using the free and open-source LLVM compiler technology. It makes use of the Objective-C runtime library on Apple platforms, enabling C, Objective-C, C++, and Swift applications too. Number 7 on the top programming list is Visual DevTools. 2.8 million developers are active. Users may see processes using a sort of programming language called visual programming. A visual programming language enables developers to explain the process in terms that are understandable to people, as opposed to a text-based computer language that forces the developer to think like a machine. Microsoft Visual Studio Dev Essentials is a free program that offers developers access to a selected selection of tools, services, and resources to build and deploy their apps on any platform, benefits, as well as communications with the most recent news and information. Number 6 is C#. 6.0 million developers are active. Games, AR/VR, and desktop are the most popular. Data science, machine learning, and mobile are the least popular. The built-in ability of C# to support object-oriented programming paradigms is one of the main factors influencing its adoption. Given that it is regarded as being ideal for Windows, Android, and iOS programs, C# is one of the top 10 best programming languages for prospects and earnings. Programming language C# is component and object-oriented. C# makes it easy to develop and utilize software components by providing language elements that explicitly support these ideas. Features to accommodate new workloads and developing technologies have been introduced to C# since its inception. Number 5 on the list is PHP. 6.1 million developers are active. Most well-liked: web, cloud, data science, machine learning, and mobile are the least popular. PHP is increasingly being used to create healthcare applications. The bulk of mobile applications, which run on iOS and Android, are made with PHP and its coding capabilities. The term PHP, Hypertext Preprocessor, is an abbreviation. A popular open-source programming language is PHP. On the server, PHP programs are run. You may use and download PHP for free. It is strong enough to serve as the foundation of WordPress, the largest blogging platform on the internet. It has enough depth to power big social networks. It is also simple enough to serve as the first server-side language for a novice. Top 4 on the programming language of 2023 is C/C++. 6.3 million developers are active. Data abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance, and other characteristics mean that C++ provides all you need for a lucrative programming career. Desktop applications, GUI apps, 3D games, and real-time mathematical results are all routinely made using this language. Many object-oriented programming languages, including C++, a superset of C, and Java, an extension of C++, have their roots in the C language. This language was initially created for the purpose of writing and creating programs to create operating systems. Top 3 programming language is Java. 8.2 million developers are active. For large data, web development, and application development, Java is yet another wonderful programming language to learn. This general-purpose programming language with an object-oriented design is owned by the Oracle Corporation. Popular computer language Java was developed in 1995. Java is used by more than 3 billion devices worldwide and is owned by Oracle. It's employed for mobile programs, especially Android apps, using desktop programs, web-based programs, application servers and web servers, games, connection to a database. Top 2 programming language is my favorite, Python. 9 million developers are active. Python is often used to build apps and websites, automate time-consuming operations, and analyze and present data. Since Python is fairly easy to learn, many non-programmers, such as accountants and scientists, have utilized it for a variety of mundane tasks, including handling funds. It's employed for website creation, server-side, software creation, mathematics, scripting for systems. How versatile is Python? Web applications may be developed on a server using Python. Workflows may be made with Python and other technologies. Database systems are connectable with Python. Files may also be read and changed by it. Big data management and advanced mathematical operations can both be done with Python. Python may be used to produce software that is ready for production or for quick prototyping. Number 1 programming language of 2023 is JavaScript. 12.4 million developers are active. JavaScript is used by programmers all over the world to create dynamic and interactive internet programs and browsers. JavaScript is the most used programming language in the world, utilized as a client-side language on 97% of all websites. Java and JavaScript are conceptually and aesthetically quite distinct languages. Brendan Eich created JavaScript in 1995, and it became an ECMA standard in 1997. The standard's official designation is ECMA 262. The language's official name is ECMAScript. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe and like button. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe and like button.